guys, we're fishing for the last time. This is the 10:53,000. And guys, let's start getting fishing. We're gonna be fishing, and let me sit you down and let's get started.
I won't vlog the full thing. I'll vlog it when we get done and stuff, and then I'll just say like, comment, subscribe, and myself rest tonight. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, guys, I might not do the whole thing because I might be just playing around in the mud or something.
Hey guys!
Yeah, and Bree's here too.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
And all of that, and I'll see you guys when I get my friend. Hi!
And just so you know, I will put a hair pan on the description below. And I'll be here.
No.
And guys, you should go and subscribe to him. So yeah. If you don't subscribe to him, I'm not going to see you. Like I said, I'll see you soon.
No, it's all muddy. You get mud all in my car.
So,
Yeah, dudes. One sec. Guys, I just want to get ready to fish. And sorry guys that you didn't get to see me fish. This was just a vlog. It's very short. So guys, I'll do a part 2, but not right now. So I'll see you all dudes later. Bye.